Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Angel, and for today's video, I am very excited because I'm going to do a review about this my new parang ako sabihin, parang newest, ano ko siya, parang newest na nalaman, something ganun, nalaman, basta. So, I'm going to do a review about this Cloud Beauty, ano siya, tawag dito, lip product. So, ito po ang kanyang lalagyan. So, this is the packaging looks like, and you know what, at first, nagulat ako kasi ang laki niya for a lip product, oh. And solid yan siya, oh. Solid, diba? Kaya, ayan. And by the way, I'm filming on my new phone. Kaya, please bear with me kung hindi siya ganun ka, kasi hindi ko pa to na, parang hindi ko pa siya naayos yung mga settings, ganyan. And, ayan guys, buksan na natin siya. Ayan guys, nabuksan ko na siya. So, ayan siya sa loob. Nagpo-focus ba yung camera? O sa akin lang siya talaga nakafocus. So, ayan. Wait, naka-cinematic mode kasi ako. So, baguhin natin, ha. So, ayan na guys, oh. Ay, okay. Kaya pala siya malaki. Parang malaki kasi dalawa pala yung laman niya. Although, ang order ko lang is yung kanilang lip product. Binigyan nila ako ng free na cloud wipes. Ayan. Okay, this is their free cloud wipes. By the way, guys, I'm not using any mic. So, please bear with me kung medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung quality ng sound. Kasi, again, I'm testing out my new phone. And tinitest ko din yung kanyang yung audio, yung mic, diba? Yung quality ng audio niya. Basta yun na yun. Okay, guys. So, this is the lip liner. I'm in the shade CBO2. And you will find it right here at the bottom. Ayan. I don't know if the camera is focusing. But, yeah. So, i-open na natin siya. Okay. So, this is the pencil look like. Ayan siya, guys. Hindi ko siya, hindi ko siya ilalabas ng buo. Ayoko ng ganun. So, I'm gonna be swatching this up the back of my hand for you guys to see kung anong nakuha kong shade for the lip liner. So, ayan. So, that is the shade looks like. So, itatry ko na siya sa lips ko. By the way, guys, please make sure na lagi kayong well moisturized, ha, yung lips nyo bago kayo maglagay ng kahit ano pang lip product yan. Okay. As you can tell, ayan siya guys. Tignan nyo. Super light siya. Kasi nga, gradient effect ang, yun. Kasi nga, gradient effect ang ating gagawin. Okay. And, ayan. Okay. I don't think that I'm gonna be using this as a parang natural na paggamit ng lip liner kasi nga ito para sa akin lang tayo yung base sa pagkakaintindi ko sa product nila. Pang ano to, pang ano siya, pang gradient nga. Kaya parang hindi ko siya gagamitin na parang i-overline ko yung lips ko, no. Although pwede naman, but hindi ko gagawin. That is what it looks like on my lips right now. Yan. So, ganyan siya, guys. And wala naman siyang foul na smell. Okay? Doesn't have any foul smell. Yan. So, blended ko siya. Ayan, nakita niyo, pamamalat ako. Okay. And by the way, it feels very moisturizing, guys. Promise. So, punta na tayo dito sa lip mousse. So, this is the lip mousse looks like. So, ayan siya, guys. So, you're going to find the shade right here at the bottom. Again, I'm in the shade CBO2. Okay. So, igaganto ko muna siya. I'm gonna be shaking this before using. Iyan, gamot. Pero yun, wala, nakasanayan ko na. So, let's open this product. Okay. Okay. So, it doesn't have any foul smell, but for me, it smells good. Like, hindi naman siya ganun kabango, but tama lang, ganun. Hindi siya mabaho. And I'm gonna be swatching this at the back of my hand. Okay? So, this is what I'm telling you guys. So, the lip mousse is much darker than the lip liner. Do you see that? So, again, ito siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. So, this is the lip liner and this is the lip mousse. So, ito yung partner niya. Bakit? Kasi, the reason why the lip liner is much lighter because this lip products, itong lip liner, wait. Itong lip liner and the lip mousse is pang gradient. Okay? Pang gradient effect ang ibibigay niya sa'yo. That's the reason why the lip liner is lighter than the lip mousse or whatever you call it. Okay? So, let's apply the lip mousse on the inner part of my lips. Napakita ko na ba sa inyo itsura ng applicator niya? Hindi pa ata, guys, no? So, ito yung applicator niya. Ganyan po ang itsura ng kanyang applicator. Okay? Ayan. So, konti-konti lang muna. I'm just gonna be putting a small amount on my lips and then build it up kapag kakulang, okay? Or kung nakulangan ako. Ganyan lang. Super gaan ko lang siyang pinahid sa lips ko. And by the way, guys, in person, I'm looking in my mirror and again, my lips is chapped right now and this lip product is, how am I going to say this? Hindi naman niya ganun ka na-emphasize, but kapag ganito nakalapit ko siya tinignan, nakikita ko na yung parang bitak-bitak ng lips ko. If you know what I mean. Okay? Ayan. Tignan nyo, nag-aangatan yung balat ko. Ayan. Okay. So, this is my lips looks like right now. Okay, don't panic because I'm still not blending it. So, I'm gonna be blending this out pa. Okay, guys, I'm done. And for me, ito yung parang kapag first time mo siya gamitin, hindi mo siya agad makukuha ng as in perfect. Agad yung parang, kung sa ano, yung pag-a-apply mo is perfect agad. If you know what I mean. So, medyo sa una lang naman. Sa una, medyo maninibago ka talaga gumamit ang ganito kahit na may lip liner siya. Kasi, super ganda rin yung lip mousse kasi super pigmented niya. And at the same time, ito yung, for me, ito yung kinaganda kasi after nyo maglagay, kung medyo nasobrahan kayo sa paglalagay like me ng lip mousse, pwede kayong bumalik doon sa lip liner and then you're gonna be, you need to be blending it out para mas gumanda siya. So, itatry ko siya ngayon lagyan ng lip liner. Ayan, guys, this is the lip liner and babalikan ko yung taas. Yung mga edges, if you know what I mean. Okay. Oh, diba? Ang ganda, guys. You know what? I am amazed right now kasi ang perfect ng combination ng lip liner and the lip mousse for a gradient effect, like a Korean lip look gradient effect, whatever. So, yeah. I am loving this combination. Again, I'm in the shade CB02. Okay? CB02 yung shade na kinuha ko. Ito yung parang pinkish, fresh na may pagka medyo reddish yung lips nyo. Kumbaga parang, fresh lang tayo, ganun lang ang labanan. And I am loving this lip product right now kasi mas magiging madali na yung paggawa ng gradient effect. Although sa una maninibago ka, pero guys, tignan nyo naman kung gaano ka-fresh. O, diba? So, I'm gonna be back, guys. Ayusin ko lang yung hair ko. Susuklayin ko lang siya. Okay, guys. I'm back. And as usual, I didn't do anything special on my hair. I just used some hairbrush to brush my hair. So, yeah. So, let's proceed. So, guys, do you see this? I am very in love with this lip product right now. Walang eme-eme, walang joke or anything. I am really loving this product kasi mas napabilis niya yung paggawa or pag-create ng effect na gradient for the lips. Okay? I am loving the product and right now, I'm gonna be sharing with you some tip na kung gusto nyong mas gumanda siya or mas pouty tignan yung lips nyo, gumamit kayo ng clear gloss. Any clear gloss will do, okay? So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong effect na nagagawa niya, okay? So, ayan guys, konting-konti lang. Kaya may kulay na yung ano nito kasi lagi ko ginagamit. So, hindi ko siya i-drag, kundi ipapat-pat ko lang siya. Ganyan. Especially right here. Look how beautiful, juicy my lips are. My lips. Basta yung labi ko, mi. Ang ganda, ang juicy. Okay? Oh. So, kung ikaw man ay girl na mahilig mag-lip gloss, pwede mo pa rin gamitin tong lip product na to and then put some clear gloss on top of it and you are ready to go. Tingnan nyo, mas naging maganda yung lips ko, juicy, fresh ako lalo tignan. So, kung ikaw naman yung klase ng girl na gusto nyo naman matte hindi matte looking, ganon. Pwede pa rin sa'yo yung Cloud Beauty kasi ang ganda niya lang talaga, guys. Promise. Ayun. And I am loving the shade that I got. Okay? Walang eme, walang kahit ano. Ayun ang experience ko. Kitang-kita nyo naman, diba? So, ayun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on my next video.